Here we are at Portslade train station, Sunday 25th October 2009. Dan is a very keen train spotter and has recently developed a sub-fascination with signal crossings, and so we're here to watch the signal. Is there anything you'd like to say, Dan? Yeah. Yeah, we're not as many trains on a Sunday as we'd like. But I think we'll be okay. Do you think there's a fast train coming? Yeah, Nino Nino. Okay, how is it up there, Dan? Can you see the crossing? Excellent. Do you think the lights... Ah, well, it's 31, so there should be a train in soon. You think it's going to be a fast train? Do you want to be this? Is this where you want to be? I think the barriers are going to be going down soon. Train coming. Let's go and see when the next one is on this platform. Because we'll be on that to go home. Oops. Are you okay? Oh. Is that good, Dan? Do you think the train's coming soon? Look, Dan, here comes the train. Well, now that was a fast train. Barriers going up. Talk to me about the Ninos.
Ninos.
Does the barrier go up?
And the barrier down.
Barrier goes up. Nino, 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 Nino. Barrier goes down. Oh, look, there's a bus.
Bus it over. Bus it over on it. Bus it over. Bus it over. Nino, really loud.
It is really loud. Do you like the Nino Nino? You can't get down, sweetheart.
Down.
We actually get a better view over the other side, but... Oh! I can see a train coming. I can see a train. We're going to have Ninos soon, Dan. Oh, look, she's running over. The barrier's going to come down. I think the train's going to be coming soon. Do you think you'd always like train spotting, Dan? Yeah? There's a train coming now.
Fast train.
Is it a fast train?
Yeah. Maybe short. Maybe short.
Maybe socks, yes. Can you see the train coming?
Amber, here, green.
No tools.
Fire.
Hope so. Let's hope the barrier goes up.